It up. That's the fact. Everybody was coming in and was like, bruh, y'all all do not want Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A. We going to Chick-fil-A. We going to Chick-fil-A.
I don't know what I get. What you getting, baby? You know what you want?
I want probably the same thing I always get. Chick-fil-A. We at Chick-fil-A. We at Chick-fil-A.
Hello, how you doing?
Name for your order.
Mike and Jazz.
Alright, what do I want?
Jazz, what can I get for you?
I would like. Did you actually put Mike and Jazz?
I can put that.
Yes, please do that. That's our thing. You know,
That's
Mike
good.
And Jazz,
That's good to have a thing.
Yes. So I want you want the egg one?
Bacon.
Add bacon to it though.
No, bacon.
Oh, you want bacon? Okay. So can I get the bacon, egg and cheese McMuffin drink?
Yeah, on a muffin?
This
yeah.
is not McDonald's.
My fault. The
What's
muffins.
the beverage?
I still say that. That's crazy.
That's okay.
Bottled water.
Bottled water is fine.
Bottled water, okay.
And then I want to sub out the hash brown for the parfait granola.
Granola, okay.
Yep. And then I want the egg white grilled.
Uh-huh.
Add bacon.
Add bacon?
Yeah. And I also want a spicy chicken biscuit.
Yeah, what do you want for your one beverage?
Oh, I'll take a water.
This is how fast those acids go into your skin. Alright, I just wanted to point those things out because I was looking at it and I think it's a really good packet. You have this right here.
She said she was doing a lash lift. She was doing a lash lift and she told me to do the brow lamination. And I brought this just because she gave me this. And this, I don't want to use that. I don't even like that one. And this is the actual henna. You just mix it up with some water and then put it on the brow.
Is that one shade? Like, what? How did this work?
I got, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what that one is. But I just brought light brown. And I think I brought a medium brown one too, but I don't know where it's at.
Yeah, she can do it with that.
It might be in my book.
So, who your model gonna be?
I don't know. I honestly don't even want to do it. But Lily want her brows done, but she don't even have no brows.
Do a tint and then.
But you gotta. I mean, you can do a brow. I mean, a lamination and a tint. But alright, I'll see. I kind of want some thick brows.
Here's Maddie.
Hey. Is you gonna do my eyebrows?
I think. I guess so.
Yeah.
Get into the brows.
I'm scared to do it myself. Last time Miss Jen did them, she did them uneven.
She waxed them or just?
No, she tinted them and one was darker than the other.
Damn. Lord have mercy.
You don't have lashes on already?
You do? Oh, what are you getting done? Oh, brow tint.
Yeah, brow tint.
Don't get
You know, get into it.
Alright, and here's the Pro Power Peel for the eyes. Alright? The Pro Power Peel for the eyes. I'm gonna put it up to
Yes. You need a before and after.
Yeah, give me some, please. That's my first time. Yes, I'm just trying to get all the oil, everything off her brows. Oh, they got a little darker when they got wet. You got some brows, Lily. See that excess oil that you gotta get out of that? Okay. Let's do that.
You're so pretty.
Literally gorgeous.
You're getting on TikTok.
Why would you say that, you hater?
I'm joking. Is this open? Like, okay. So I'm gonna apply the step 1. Okay. Let me know if anything feels. I need to take some.
Alright, Miss Teacher, tell us what you got in your hand. Yeah, what's this?
Hey, give me a second. I gotta figure out what I got in my
first?
hand. Yes, you gotta. You supposed to laminate, and then while it's after like the 3rd or 4th step, that's when you start to tint.
They were gifts to people that won.
Yeah. Cause once if I tint it now, it's gonna be tinted right here, and then the rest of her brows is gonna be straight, and it's not gonna be no tint right there. It won't be tinted.
No, lamination.
I'm trying to get some of this out so I don't double dip. Like, they didn't make that, you know. Okay. I'm gonna just use different things.
Here's
Sorry,
some more
Lily.
calm water gel.
So right now, this is just
Did you
the
put the saran wrap on there?
yes, after I put it on. This is just softening her lash. I'm gonna keep saying lashes, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm just used to doing lashes. It stinks. This is gonna soften her brows.
It's perm. It's gonna smell
Yeah.
like rotten eggs.
And just soften them so that when I go to apply the, it's called, what's it called? Fixation. That's what's gonna hold them in place.
Oh, no, I don't.
You don't smell that, Lily?
Why do you want two? You want to write it twice?
Okay, so I'm not good with saran wrap, and this looks very skinny, so they say apply saran wrap. So that was step one. Step one, like I said, is just softening the lashes. It is a perm.
It's the relaxer.
Cam, don't sit here and correct her every.
She's going to. Oh, I should have made it long and did both.
It's okay.
So now we have to let the saran wrap. We have to let the saran wrap sit for about, they say 10 to 15 minutes. I'm not gonna lie. It really depends on your client's lashes. Like some people, brows. Some people have thicker brows, so of course you'll have to leave it on for longer. Come on, don't be interrupting my class like that. And then what the saran wrap does is help speed up the process.
How long do you leave it on?
So I'm gonna leave it on her for about 10 minutes. They ain't eyes on me right now.
No, well, it's a compliment. She
Like,
knows
I
what
know.
she's doing.
They love me.
Christina's here.
And we just gonna let that sit. So y'all know.
Do you have a timer?
Okay.
Told y'all.
I didn't want to touch nothing. She said that was a $500 camera.
Oh, please, no.
That's what I'm saying. Don't even hand that shit to me, baby.
I can.
Don't get back in your ear.
No.
Is someone
So
here?
this eyebrow looks a little thicker than this.
Miss Jeff? Oh, never mind.
You're missing honey.
Can't double dip.
Alright.
Okay, so this is
No,
what's
the
gonna
lifting.
lock the lashes.
But I want to see.
I ain't gonna say lock them all the way, but that's what it's doing. And then after I do this and shape them out, I'm gonna apply more saran wrap.
I want that. That looks so good.
That's where if I could get it approved like a tint day. This stuff, okay?
I know.
I'm like,
It's damn. But you would never put that on your brows.
Is that your phone?
Ever. It's your lashes.
She just keep
Oh,
dropping.
so pretty. So pretty. It actually gives it. It's not like it looks blue, but it.
it's a nice black. It's like a natural black.
My camera don't even work. My 0.5. That's cute.
I like it. How we doing over here in the corner?
No. She had to make up.
Cleanse? Okay, good. Cleansed up, squeaky clean. I'll be right there.
She coming in though.
All right. Who's drinking some?
So that's what you use instead of using a spoolie?
Yeah, the spoolie's just gonna take all the product off for real.
That stuff really stink, don't it?
I can't smell this one. Though.
So the smell, you can see
Because
how
we got
someone-
used to it.
You would want to give them a heads up about the smell. I mean, personally, if I'm getting into
My
something, I'm not gonna
esthetician
complain.
did not give me a warning the first time.
You want to
Ew.
That's crazy.
It's on camera. Caught in 4K.
Yeah, for real.
You know, but my sense of smell is crazy.
Girl, you better have a whole little
Is she talking to everybody individually?
Nina, let me find out.
I think so.
No, let me find
It looks
out.
nice already.
Oh, let me
for
do
her.
one, Miss Jen.
Don't have them on Twitter.
It's a broad wave.
Cancel.
We're talking about somebody that came out before I was born. Talking about somebody that came out 2 years ago. good? We doing good. We just waiting on the
Look at her.
process, you know.
Look at her teacher, y'all. Was I supposed to have a timer on?
How long is this one?
Facts, I love the blonde, yeah.
8 minutes again.
She look like a witch.
Let's take it back.
That's what it's giving.
Do we get to dress up here?
It just gives me witch. I like it.
Is there scissors over there? If it is, can you get them for me, please?
Is we gonna dress up?
Appreciate you. No? You said no to me?
You feel
You said no to me?
What day is Halloween on?
Y'all, never book with Kim. She only wax the front. She don't wax the back.
Yeah, it's a Tuesday.
I fucking asked.
That's why I was asking.
She don't wax
Like,
the back.
yeah.
Kiana, you're the one who told
I'm
me.
professional. You left me hair.
Don't even do me like that.
You gave me a
better get that
bunny
booty
rabbit
hole.
hole. Gave me a bunny
you
rabbit
wanted
hole.
to
I wanted
leave.
tunnel.
You said I gotta go get my man. I gotta go get my man.
My man.
You know I had to go get my man.
So don't do
I
me
can't
like
leave him
that.
hanging at Amazon. Yeah, I did.
Play with it.
He don't worry about the back end. You're just being a BI. A BITCH.
Girls, yeah. Yo, that song gotta
Did y'all see the meme when Mama D was on Love and Hip Hop and she was like, cause she is a BI. But she said BICH. Said she's a bitch. She's a what? She's a BICTH. That's what you are, Kim. You're a bitch. Stop. Need a whole new wax and 2 waxes in the back.
Yo, not 2 waxes in the back.
Because I'm missing about like a couple waxes back there.
Okay, so
I'll do it when I'm dehydrated or if I'm out and about.
Where's Miracle? I'm about to bomb her house, so she can't sleep there no more. She has no other choice but to come to school. Who, Coco? Miracle. Oh. Wait, don't get that on film.
Too late.
And usually, y'all, I wanna just let y'all know this real quick. So we don't have no wax pots or nothing. But usually, I'm about to wipe this stuff off. You would want to wax. Y'all know how to wax a brow. Just so her brows could be fresh. I do have an eyebrow razor, but I don't know. I mean, if I'm allowed to use it.
You better tweeze them bad boys.
I don't have no tweezers.
Oh,
You skipped the tweeze?
she got upset when you said that. Why?
Be a punk.
They don't even hurt.
Only a punk.
Make sure you shake that before you use it though.
It looks
you got
so
against
good.
tweezers?
Thank you.
You want to use some BioC?
Thank you. I'm trying. Just gonna wipe all this off before I apply, cause now I'm about to apply the tint,
And then you seal it last.
and I gotta sit too.
I still can't believe you said that.
Lily, what? That you
You know
waxed
you
the
heard
front
her
and not the
for
back? No, you could cut them hairs too, but let me just shape them.
I thought she was talking to a kid.
Okay, now I'm gonna go in with some henna and what up? The lamination for this right here. Well, I'm gonna need that again, but I did it. I start with the ends and then work my way to the front because you don't want the front to be as dark as the So I'm not going to put it down here where her hair is because again that would get waxed off. So I'm just going to go with the shape of her brow. And this could be a little more. A little more watery. You know, don't want it.
Your brows look really good.
Thanks.
Thanks, guys. Think us. So you're just gonna go in, and you still wanna kind of like, you know, follow the hairs, but you don't wanna mess up the shape of her brow. And a smaller brush would definitely be way better.
You're doing a massage?
No, that's her. I got you.
One amount of time.
So to me, I feel like they all look alike, you know?
Oh, are the other 2 steps?
Yeah, it doesn't help that they literally look alike.
And if you got to, grab you one of these.
And then 2, and then 3. I just want you to have the bottle so you don't have to, because it's a big area. You're gonna need more than normal.
And I ain't eat, so my hands are starting to get a little shaky. Never go to work without eating because, like,
You're gonna hear your belly.
I be trying to lash without eating, and I just get so lightheaded and stuff.
You should always have a full belly.
I'm still gonna wipe that at the bottom.
And And where do you think their head is? Where do you think their head's in their belly? I would get up on my feet to belly rubble.
It's burning a little bit.
Burning? It's probably because of the pain. And this brow was thicker and darker than this brow, so I'm going to try my best to make them, no, sisters, not twins or cousins, whatever they say.
And that's what makes you an artist, right? Look how pretty that grass is. Whoever cuts the grass needs attention.
Miss Jen.
I mean, it's the same place though.
Seriously, that's so cute.
That's what I say. It's adorable.
I don't get out much, guys. And what kind of brush is that, Yana?
The brush I got out your office.
Okay. Yeah, but it looks like she has good control over it. It's a good fit for you.
It would be better to have a smaller brush.
Now, is that what you're using to, they used to call me Olive when I was little. Olive eyes. You can't see the pupil.
Yeah.
But they're brown.
You can tell they're brown there?
Yeah.
Were you here when I had green contacts in for 5 minutes?
No.
Like last week?
I don't remember.
Oh, you didn't teach me? I took them right out. I look like an alien.
So you just want to make sure
You can.
that, again, they ain't going to be shaped exactly the same, but you want to try to get it as close as you can to each other. Somebody take some
It's really good.
try to
Do it, but you got
I found the makeup page.
Did you? I just followed you.
I didn't know. I didn't see it.
You didn't know what's up.
My
sister's here.
She was like, go follow her page. And I said, oh, she already followed me. Let me follow her back. We might need to do a little shoot or something.
I would love that.
I need a shoot.
I don't mind being no.
But some people do
Jazz.
base prices like that. Like, they would just have that set by itself and then try to figure it out.
Oh, let me set a timer. Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes. You should have set 2 minutes too.
You know, 10,000 hours makes you a
Timers can be set for
I didn't say 10 p.m. Hey Siri. Hey Siri.
Okay,
Set timer for 10 minutes.
what happened with Kayla?
I thought you were saying hey thickums to Siri.
You have the brow stuff.
Y'all don't mess yourselves up.
Mom's fat. No, over here. Just.
I think she looks great. Look at her. She's got her lashes, her hair, and her brows done.
Yeah, she's
Really trying to show out.
trying to go get some.
Oh my God, are you?
You know what?
Yeah.
You're done in this town.
Jazz, why you didn't tell me where Kayla and Daria were?
I don't even have any products on. I just have gel. I'll tell you in a second.
Yeah.
It's very
left it
personal.
on for
Oh
longer.
She
yeah.
might not want everybody.
They look
to know.
good. What the class just told me.
I was about to say, I think we already
It
know.
ain't that person.
Oh, I didn't know if anybody knew yet.
What we did that day.
I got personal reasons that y'all
Maddie
know.
is like literally me.
Unless you don't say anything.
You were in uniform.
You have to.
Yeah, I could have left it on
I
a
didn't
little
watch
longer,
no
but they still
one of
tinny.
these step processes, so I hope y'all can get me right.
Qualify.
Really good.
They do. Look at her talking about really good.
Lily is so funny.
Lily done put Lizzo and everything, like, you know.
She just need herself a good wax, and she gonna be big.
That's what I was thinking. I'm like, damn, I have to do
I know mine are
because when you laminate them, you can see like where it's like, oh, you need to wax your eyebrows. Mine are either.
I know what to do.
Hi, Mom.
This one,
Alright, I gotta put one more step on there.
the one is the white one.
And I think I want to cut this right here.
Literally just stick it.
I'm not trying to go down.
Yeah, just do a nice little slit right there. It's like,
Oh, she said a slit.
Have a fit.
yo,
Not the slit, baby.